Hello everyone, below I'm going to describe the composition of my family. My name is Juan Sebastián Vargas Bermúdez. I am 25 years old. I'm from Garagoa, Boyacá. My profession is a police officer. I am tall. I am a little thin. My eyes are brown. My hair is black. I am studying psychology. My favorite sport is soccer or football. And my best team and that I am fan is Boca Juniors, like my T-shirt. So I love that football club. In second place, I'm going to describe my father. My father's name is Jairo Vargas Bermúdez. He's 60 years old. He is sergeant of police. He is pensioner. He's from Cajamarca, Tolima. He's tall. He's a little fat. He's belt. His eyes are brown. So he's a little serious, not so much. With us, with all my family, he's a little serious, but he's very happy. He's very happy all the time. Okay, in third place, I'm going to describe my mother. Her name is Luz Bermúdez Hernández. She's 49 years old. She's the best housewife in the world. She's from Duitama, Boyacá. She is very lovely. She's short. Her eyes are green, and she has brown hair. Finally, I'm going to describe my sister. Her name is Dena Carolina Vargas Bermúdez. She's 29 years old. She's a nursery chief. She is short and she is a little thin. Her eyes are black and she has black hair. She is a very responsible woman with her work, so I am fan of my sister. Okay, that's my description of my family. Thank you so much for your attention.